Welcome back to Dazza's Tips and Adventures. How you going, Daz?
Good, bro.
What have you done here, mate?
I went and brought a Volvo.
Oh no, what's this for?
I'm going to restore it to its absolutely showroom condition.
Oh! Dazza, are you going to make this back to original?
Of course not.
So what's the plans?
It's going to demolition derby, bro.
Demolition derby?
Yep.
Awesome, man. So what's the plans at the moment?
Just get it running first, and then we'll come up with a theme. Give it a paint job, and and I'm thinking Lego blocks.
Lego block.
Everything is awesome.
Put in the comments for Daz what the theme of the Volvo should be. So what I'm going to do for you, mate, I'm going to pull the glass out.
Oh, geez, mate, thanks. Well, you're quick, eh?
Mate, that's my life story. Okay, Daz has just changed out the spark plugs. Well, one. Failed. Oh. Almost. Maybe just change all three. See how we go. Four, you know what I mean.
I got a 3.
So Daz went through the spare box of spark plugs that I had here, and we found something that should do the job.
Ready? Alright, so we just took the plugs out, cleaned them, put them back in, it fired, then she died again. So I took them back out, they're pretty disgusting, I don't know if you can see that. And we went through Byron's spare spark plugs, and we found some that will work. We'll change the gap on them. Hey, it's demolition derby car, who cares?
Let's see if it runs after this. You got plenty of fuel, which doesn't smell right. We might have to drain that. And then we've got plenty of spark. Daz has cleaned out the distributor cap and rotor, made sure that's all good. Fingers crossed, mate.
Fingers crossed. Just put new plugs in. The old ones are pretty rat shit. Just kick her over and see if she flies.
Well, it runs. I can just let it run, see what happens. The Parker lights are on. We have to pull those out anyway. I guess just let it idle, eh? Yeah, left one is. Was. How smooth is it running now? Woo!
What do you reckon? It's idling now. Maybe it's what it was. It's really dirty spark plugs.
Remember, old mate said it was sitting around for a long time as well.
Yeah.
All right, let's strip it out, eh?
Yeah. Okay.
I've done the glass for you.
Yeah, you did the glass. Yeah. Thanks, mate.
I sent from Sweden.
Do you know how to drive manual? Might just want to grab that screw before I get screwed sitting in your car. That's just got to go in the bin, doesn't it, all this stuff?
Yeah.
Some poor Volvo owner out there is going to want that stuff. Well, at least the shock absorbers aren't there. She's bouncing. Right. Whoa. Feel the power. I reckon it's going to be right running into people.
Yeah. Let's put that control there, right?
Go for the Stato.
You can nail that?
Yeah.
Right, we're going to pull strip it out. I'll start with the tailgate. It's been levelling and restored this tailgate, so take it out. And yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how it comes out. Oh yeah, it's out. Now there's a quality belt. Oh, it's a genuine Volvo belt. Woo-wee! That one stinks. Look at that, nice line.
Perfect gaps, bro.
Right.
Once you strap that together, sweet.
You should be panel beaters.
No.
Okay. Righty, Power YouTube, we've given it a clean out. She's all good. Just got put the seat back in. Left the door handles on for easy access. We'll get to that another time. She runs still. Tailgate's on. Just got to take the tow bar off, and that is it. So next time I come back, we'll do some bar work, and that's it. She's pretty much done. We'll have to do a battery tray. I'll put a battery tray in there. We might even look at the fuel cell. We'll decide that later. But other than that, she's good to go.
Do you want to show them how it starts again?
Oh, yeah, we better do that, eh? Oh,
Just give it
cordial.
a cordy. Make sure it's out of gear.
Yeah, it's in neutral. I know that for a fact. And she'll give it a. Look at that! Oh, look at that!
Yeah, boy, mate, don't watch your gear.
Alright, we'll see you next time. Like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.